You're running a freelance business or a startup and juggling clients, payments, and invoices, and now you need a smart SEO friendly blog that explains budget planning. Well, this one right here, it took me just 3 minutes to create. Budget tips written, relevant AI images added, FAQs and infographics done. And no, I did not research or write a single word myself. Let me show you how to create something like this step by step. Now, once you log in into autoblogging.ai, on the left panel, you're going to see different options like quick, wizard, single. Today, I'm going to go with wizard because it takes you through everything one step at a time. So, article title, here I am writing personal budget planning service for freelancers and startups. Next, language. I'm going to pick English, but if you serve clients go globally, there are 30 language options here: Spanish, French, Hindi. Just take your pick. Article length, I'm going to choose long because when you're offering a financial advice, people need a full picture like benefits comparison. So long, but here's a quick heads up: short is good for a quick budget tip or a tool rounds up, and medium is great for a simple guide or a listicle. Long. Now pick your article type. I'm going to pick, since we are offering a service based topic, I'm going with the service landing page here. It is designed to highlight what your service offers and how it helps. Now, listicle is great for a top 10 budgeting tools, and places is best if you're writing about a consultant in a specific city, and informative is best for educational content. I'm going to choose second person here because I want to speak directly to the freelancers and startup owners. Just so you know, first person is when you're recommending, like it's I recommend, like a personal diary. And third person is more formal and good for a corporate or a research blog. So, second. Writing style, I'm going to go with professional here because it's about finance and people need to trust what they read. But here's a quick heads up: you can also choose conversational. It feels casual like a friendly chat, and witty is more playful, perfect for a lifestyle brand. Premium style one is a strong SEO structure. Snippet Optimizer helps with Google featured snippet, and less AI word is it sounds more natural like you have written it. And auto is it AI chooses based on your title. So professional. Now I'm going to turn all this on. Intense optimized articles. It makes sure your blog is structured well and the keywords are placed smartly. FAQs is like it pulls questions from people, like it pulls questions people are asking on Google, and it will automatically add it to your blog. And add AI images is adding visual related finance planning or visual charts, and infographics is also similar. It is a simple visual like spending breakdowns or a startup expense. So you just need to tick them, and you don't need to upload or design or write anything. AI and autoblogging will do it by itself. SERP analysis. Now, this feature checks what's already ranking on Google for your topic. The top blogs, their headlines, the kind of content they have written, and this basically helps structure yours to compete with them. So, basically, it does the research for you and all the behind the scenes. I'm going to enable this, and in the source contents box, you can write how you want your article to be. And here in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you need your article to rank first. I'm going to tick all the 4 boxes here. Outline from competition is it follows a structure of blogs which is already doing well in Google. An external link will add helpful links, trusted finance sources, and YouTube video will also add videos at the end to keep readers being long on that particular page. And add key takeaways is a top part of your article. It helps in ranking for the featured snippet. Now enable AI proofreading. So you just have to enable this, and if you want an AI to do a final check, you can also leave a note here. Um, Internal linking is if you're having older blogs related to finance, freelancing, or budgeting, just enable this and paste your domain here, and auto blogging will link the new article to relevant post. And so it is better for SEO and more time spent on your site. Human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to take a look at it, just simply enable this, and you can also leave a note here. But for this, you will be needing a human proofreading credits. You can always purchase them right in your dashboard. Now, click on Generate Article. Within 2 to 10 minutes, your article will be ready, and then click on the History tab. Just scroll and click on the View icon here. And there it is, a full blog on a personal budgeting, planning, SEO ready, pictures added, visuals added, FAQs added. Everything that you need for a blog is here, and it is ready to publish. If you want to move faster next time, you can always go on the quick and single option. It has the same features but with the fewer clicks. And bulk mode generate, like bulk generate, is it create dozens of blogs in one go from 10 to 100, and you can also auto post them to WordPress. You can literally plan a month's content in one session, so you save your time here. If you're planning a finance consulting or a helping startup grow, auto blogging AI will help you generate content without like lifting a finger. And if you're too busy handling client work, we also offer a done for you blog service where you handle the business and we handle your blogs. Now if you like it, just hit a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions you've got below.